Hi, I'm Heather Stevenson. I'm with the Stevenson team, and we are so excited about bringing a brand new listing to the market this week. It is very hard to find a beautiful single-story home in Eastvale, and I am standing in one of the prettiest ones around. It is 4 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms, 3-car garage, over 2,700 square feet, an award-winning schools with great taxes and a very low HOA. This home is absolutely stunning, to include real wood floors, granite countertops, and heading outside, you will love the covered patio with a huge built-in barbecue, plus 3 TVs. This home is ready for the new owner. It won't last long. Check it out today.